Meta AI video generate problem fix. Meta AI create video option not showing. Okay, first of all, this is Meta AI application, and obviously you can find this application on Google Play Store. I just opened this application, and as you can see here, not any option available to generate any video file or any animation. So if you want to create video, few days ago, just you tell here, just you add your image here and tell him to animate it, and when you tell it, Meta AI application animated that image and give you a actual video output. But now you face some issues. Meta AI gives you some other information because Meta AI does not generate any video at this time. As you can see here the photo, and if you describe your changes, make a video, then you can see Meta AI tell you, I can't generate video directly, my image tool only does still images, but I can turn that character into a video ready sequence for you. I already made the clean portrait from your screenshot. But don't worry, you can use Meta AI if you watching this video. Okay, just open your browser, no problem if you use a computer, PC, laptop or mobile devices. Just go Google and search Vibes AI. When you search Vibes AI, you can see Meta Vibes. Just open it. As you can see here, Vibes mention Vibes is not optimized for mobile yet. For the best experience, visit the site on desktop. No problem. Just click three dot and turn on desktop site. When you turned on desktop site, just click login button. After taking some time, just use your Facebook ID to log in Meta AI. As you can see, while I am logging here, I create new project from here and animate any photos or making any videos from here. If you click new, then here you can choose many options like videos, images, lip syncs, start frame. I mean, you can choose any images from here. Advanced setting also you can choose 480p to 720p. So this is the Meta AI latest version, and this is a beta version, not actual optimized and actual launch version. This is a beta version. So you can use this application or you can use this site from Google. And if you get helpful from this video, please like this video and subscribe the channel, because here you can find lots of AI related videos.